Good morning, all of you. My name is Badal Kumar. I am a student for BCA PPU, first year. My website is yoga classes, and yoga classes. This is my web page and home page, and my website about us and service and contact us. Here you can see that your for choice classes, then our starts, then rest structure and deeply now mode and deep mode. And you can see that new expensive means and this is a price. My code is first of all HTML meta tag, UBF name and title document. I class 1 div and div in div line and this is an image added image. This is a H1 heading tag and heading tag. This is ID and paragraph. This is a paragraph int and bottom read mode and div class and now mode. This is a CSS code. Margin, padding, box and font family.